Good morning. Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome po sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy, pakihingi ng isang like and subscribe. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is identifying and explaining the uses of rates. So, definition of terms tayo. So, ratio is the comparison of two quantities with the same units. Okay, example ng ratio. Having 3 boys in every 5 girls, where we are just counting and comparing the number of boys to girls without using unit of measurement. And writing in fraction 3/5 or 3/5, or in the ratio form 3:5, or kung babasahin natin yan, 3:5 or 3:5. Okay? Then, proceed tayo sa rate. So, rate is a ratio comparing two quantities of different kinds of units. So, it is often expressed in fraction form. Rate is used to describe many important real-life concepts. Okay, work example. Speed tells how far a vehicle, a person, or a moving object covers per unit time. Okay, example. Maria's car traveling at a speed of 2 kilometers per hour. So, written as 2 kilometer per hour or 2 kilometer per hour. Okay, or 2 kph. So, another one, rate per piece of work done tells us the payment of a person, or payment a person receives per unit time of work. Okay, example number 2. A minimum wage earner or a worker receives a salary of 690 per day. So, kung isulat natin yan, that is 690 pesos per day. Okay? So, another one, rate in doing piece of work tells us the amount of work a person or group of person can accomplish. Okay, per unit time. So, example number 3. A secretary can type 150 letters per minute. So, 150 letters ang matype niya per minute. Okay? Another one, our last example, cost tells us the amount of money paid in exchange for products. Example, 3 candies cost 2 pesos. Or, kung isulat natin yan, that is 3 candies, okay, divided by 2 pesos or per 2 pesos. Okay, so ito lang po yung topic natin. Madali lang. So, again, sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, paki-subscribe na lang at huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Maraming salamat and God bless.